Subscribe to GK Geeks YouTube channel and activate bell icon to watch more general knowledge videos. In this video, we are going to learn Indian polity general knowledge questions. Question number 1. Who presided over the first meeting of the Indian Constitution Assembly? Options: A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. Sachidananda Sinha, C. B.R. Ambedkar, D. H.V. Kamath. Answer: B. Sachidananda Sinha. Question number 2. The Constitution of India was completed on. Options: A. February 11, 1948, B. November 26, 1949, C. January 26, 1950, D. November 26, 1950. Answer: B. November 26, 1949. Question number 3. Members of Constituent Assembly were. Options: A. Elected by provincial assemblies, B. Elected directly by the people, C. Nominated by government, D. Represented only by the princely state. Answer: A. Elected by provincial assemblies. Question number 4. The number of members included in the Constitution Drafting Committee was. Options: A. 7, B. 11, C. 9, D. 13. Answer: A. 7. Question number 5. How much time the Constituent Assembly took to frame the Constitutions of India? Options: A. 2 years 7 months 23 days, B. 2 years 11 months 18 days, C. 3 years 4 months 14 days, D. 3 years 11 months 5 days. Answer: B. 2 years 11 months 18 days. Question number 6. How many sessions of the Indian Constitution Assembly were conducted for the formulation of Indian Constitution? Options: A. 7, B. 11, C. 12, D. 15. Answer: B. 11. Question number 7. How many members were initially there in the Constituent Assembly of India? Options: A. 300, B. 304, C. 308, D. 310. Answer: A. 300. Question number 8. Which of the following countries have a unwritten constitution? Options: A. USA, B. UK, C. India, D. Pakistan. Answer: B. UK. Question number 9. Which of the following countries enjoys a federal form of government? Options: A. China, B. USA, C. Cuba, D. Belgium. Answer: B. USA. Question number 10. In Indian polity, which one is supreme? Options: A. The Supreme Court, B. The Constitution, C. Religion, D. The Parliament. Answer B. The Constitution. Question number 11. The Constitution of India is options A. Rigid, B. Flexible, C. Very rigid, D. Partly rigid, partly flexible. Answer D. Partly rigid, partly flexible. Question number 12. Concept of judicial review in our constitution has been taken from the constitution of options A. England, B. USA, C. Canada, D. Australia. Answer B. USA. Question number 13. The Constitution of India borrowed the scheme of Indian Federation from the Constitution of options A. USA, B. Canada, C. United Kingdom, D. Ireland. Answer B. Canada. Question number 14. Federal system with strong center has been borrowed by the Indian Constitution from options A. USA, B. Canada, C. UK, D. France. Answer B. Canada. Question number 15. Among the following is the correct expression of the term secular in India? Options A. India has many religions. B. Indians have religious freedom. C. To follow the religion depends upon the will of an individual. D. There is no religion of the state in India. Answer D. There is no religion of the state in India. Question number 16. How many schedules the Constitution of India contains? Options A. 9, B. 10, C. 11, D. 12. Answer D. 12. Question number 17. Article of the Indian Constitution provides of the institution of Panchayati Raj. Options A. Article 36, B. Article 40, C. Article 39, D. Article 48. Answer B. Article 40. Question number 18. Article 1 of the Constitution declares India as options A. Federal state, B. Quasi-federal state, C. Unitary state, D. Union of states. Answer D. Union of states. Question number 19. How many articles are there in the Indian Constitution? Options A. 395, B. 396, C. 398, D. 399. Answer A. 395. Question number 20. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Options A. Part 1, B. Part 2, C. Part 3, D. Part 4. Answer C. Part 3. Thank you for watching this video.